guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a brand new iPhone 12. Me and my brother are going to review iPhone 12. Wow, it looks so pretty and cool. Which color should I choose for my mom? Wow, this is mint green color. I love it. My mom likes this color too. Now I'm going to pass this to my brother. He knows more features than me.
Thanks, I'm super excited to open this new 5G iPhone 12. The box looks slim this year compared to last model. They didn't put the power brick to save the environment.
Let's open the box and see what is inside. We're so excited.
Wow, it looks cool this year. It's my favorite color too. Let's set this aside and see what else is in the box. We have a power cable here and paperworks. Let's see what's inside. A SIM ejector and paperworks. They also gave an Apple logo sticker. Now let's look at the phone. The sides look flat and it's also easy to handle. They gave a power button and a 5G band. With Wave, it should support 5G gigabyte speed. Here is the silent button and volume buttons. This is the SIM cartridge. It also has dual slots. This is the lightning port and speakers.
This has one wide camera and one ultra-wide camera. It has a MagSafe wireless charger here. Let's on it. It shows an Apple logo. It says hello. Next step is to pick a language. Next is to select your country or region. To get started, we need to follow the instructions the phone tells you. Now I'm going to choose my network. Now let's see how the red one looks. Wow, it looks pretty too. This color is also amazing. There are 5 colors in iPhone 12. Red, black, blue, mint green and white.
It has Super Retina XDR display with 6.1-inch edge-to-edge OLED display. It also has ceramic shield with 4 times better drop performance and night mode on every camera. The body material is made out of aluminum and glass. It comes with water resistant, fast charging and wireless charging feature. For security, it has Face ID and no fingerprint scanner.
It has 4K video capture. Front-facing camera 12 megapixel. This phone has back camera 12 megapixel wide camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. This phone is 128 GB.
This phone is IP68 certified water resistant.
We bought this phone case. I like the color and I like the texture. It's rainbow and it's so pretty. It is strong and sturdy. Hope you all enjoyed our unboxing and review video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video. See you in next video. Bye.